In this tutorial, I will show you how to read messages without being seen in just few easy steps. So let's start writing. In this tutorial, I will show you a couple of ways to read Instagram message without being seen. First way is to turn off read receipts. For this, from bottom right corner, click on your profile icon, then click on these three dots. And from here, scroll to how others interact with you and click on message and story replies. Now click on show read receipts, then toggle off read receipts. After this, if you read the message, other person will not get the read receipt, but you will also not be able to see when other person reads your message. The second way is to open Instagram app and let your message to reload. Then swipe down from the top of the home screen and turn on aeroplane mode. After this, you can open and read the message. Once you read the message, then close the Instagram app completely. Then turn off aeroplane mode. And then you can use Instagram app and other person will not get that you have read the message. Now go to the third and the last way. This is to restrict that person. For this, go to the chat of that person, then click on his name from top. And from here, click on these three dots, then click on restrict. Now message for that person will appear in request and you read the message or the person will not able to get the read receipt. So that's how you can read Instagram messages without being seen in just few easy steps.